Alpha has graciously opened the door for us so we can take a look at the dragons that are still here before they get
Still hanging in there.
auctioned off.
Still hanging in there.
They're going to get auctioned off at some point, I guess. Thanks, Alpha.
Look, if I had a large enough house, I'll auction one.
Someone brought up the issue of the casino here on Saipan, and I wanted to clarify something. So the person asked, I think it was a woman at the time, she asked when the new casino will be opening. And I was under the belief that she might have had her information incorrect, and that the Best Sunshine Casino, which is actually closed and never fully launched, is what she was referring to. But turns out that she was right. There is new activity with the casino here on Saipan, and if you do a search on the WashingtonPost.com website or on YouTube, on Google in general, you'll find the latest article as of January of this year that talks about some of the history of the Best Sunshine Casino and what's likely to happen, or what's desired to happen by certain parties who are connected to it. So just to give you a little bit of background, for many years, the community here on Saipan was not in favor of having a casino here on the island. The general consensus was that we wanted to keep the island family friendly, so whenever that issue would come up, the community would vote it down and say, no, we don't want a casino. Tinian, our sister island, does have a casino, and that was its claim to fame, and tourist dollars. So people believe that it would be better to have Tinian have the casino, and then Saipan could be more of a family-friendly destination. So the politicians did what often politicians are wont to do. They simply stopped asking the public, and a contract went out, I believe maybe 2015 or 16, and a company by the name of Imperial Pacific won the contract and started construction on a casino. And I'll spare you some of the details until you take a tour, but the casino was partially completed. And had a soft opening at one location, and then had its grand opening at the current location. The hotel side of it was never completely finished, and it ran into some public resistance and some OSHA regulations problems, and as a result, the anticipated and expected progress of the casino was sort of stymied. So it never fully launched, never fully got off the ground, and now it is in legal proceedings. It's being sued by workers, being sued by other stakeholders as well. So it's in limbo legal limbo at the moment. But apparently there is a Japanese company that is interested or in the process of taking over the casino and relaunching. I'm not sure if there's a date set yet, but I just wanted to clarify that yes, if you keep up with the news, you'll find out that there is activity with the Best Sunshine Casino. And if you check out the local English-speaking newspaper, the Mariana Variety, mvariety.com, you'll be able to find some of the current information.